Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here, and welcome back to another crypto video. Today, we have a ton of interesting crypto news to cover, so make sure you press the like button, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and let us get started. First of all, guys, I want you all to understand that the XRP price is actually not doing that bad. Many people keep saying, oh, but we should pump, when moon. Don't forget that Ripple through XRP right now is in one of the most, if not the most important crypto lawsuit in history. Once this is resolved, guys, I personally think the only way is up. Having said that, there are a couple of caveats, a couple of negative Nancy things. President Biden, for example, is expected to nominate a crypto critic to the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency. Law professor Saule Omarova is pegged as the next head. My English. Not a native English speaker, sometimes I butcher stuff. Law professor Saul Omarova is pegged as the next head of the office, but how does she feel about crypto? Well, she has had some insightful things to say about the crypto industry in the past, and people are kind of bringing this up right now because, right? Now, reportedly, she's been nominated as the next in line. She's a professor at Cornell University Law School and is also keenly aware of the crypto industry and hasn't shied away from sharing her mostly critical view of the sector. In February of this year, Omarova shared a Financial Times article titled, "Bitcoin's Rise Reflects America's Decline," later tweeting that getting out of the post-CV recession via real economy growth is of the utmost importance. Let's quickly check it out here. So, Mark said, could you elaborate? The point about crypto potentially challenging / replacing gold as a hedging asset seems right. The part about the signaling anything at all about the decline of America or dollar hegemony seems exactly not. And then she replied saying, I find this piece insightful in using the Bitcoin story to emphasize the utmost importance of getting out of the post-recession via real economic growth, investment, jobs, etc. Decline of American power may not be here yet, but it's certainly a plausible scenario. And so people are already pointing out that this is not nice, as the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency is a very important unit over in the United States. And so if we have a negative Nancy over there for crypto, we wouldn't be too happy with that. Then again, some people's views can obviously change still. Even though she's kind of conservative in that sense, it might not be all bad, but it's something that I just quickly wanted to bring to y'all's attention. All right. Then we have this article right here. Ethereum wallet transfers $215 million worth of ETH. ETH whales moved 71,000 coins to an unknown wallet on the 22nd of September. I've told you guys this 1,000 times before, but let me tell you guys again. Transfers like this don't really mean much unless you know exactly what went on. And since we don't, there's really not too much that you can do with this information, to be honest with you. Unknown wallet. Yeah, so what can you fetch? The only thing we know for a fact is, like I explained it yesterday, that a ton of whales right now are picking XRP, for example, but even Bitcoin neither up. The exchange reserves keep going down, and people call it clickbait. People call it this, that. No, it is factual. It is factual to the freaking core that people are buying in masses, and the majority of people are not scared. They aren't. It's media that makes you think that people are scared. Almost nobody is getting freaking scared. Let me tell you guys. I talked to so many of my friends. They don't get scared. They don't. Yet all of a sudden these metrics show it. How? When everybody's buying. Who sold their crypto in this small dip? Who? I don't know anybody. All the metrics that we put up, all the polls, they all show that people are buying. And I just bought, as you saw most likely, at about 86 cents. Because I'm freaking excited. I know the future value of all my investments right now, again, as far as I know, not financial advice, just my personal opinion, will increase generously, really beautifully. So I'm just stacking up like a madman. I am stacking up like a madman, all right? If you saw me walking in the streets, you'd be like, oh, that guy is really crazy. That's how crazy I'm looking right now. Because I'm stacking it up. I don't care if the price goes down a little bit lower. I'm bullish on this crypto, and my pockets will speak for me. All right, then settlement speculations arise. A lot of articles like this we've covered in due time. Arise upon SEC request for an extension to file seal. Yeah, BS. My own personal expectation here is nothing too much to fetch from this. I wouldn't say that anything specific has been brought up here whatsoever. If you think this is a really big deal, please explain to me in the comment section why. Them requesting a 1 or 2 day extension, as far as I know, doesn't really do too much. So, yeah, this doesn't really bring up any talks or extra talks of a negotiation for settlement or anything like that. And fun fact, guys, I just had an interview with, you guys probably know who. And I think it's going to be up either later today or tomorrow when I'm done editing it a little bit. But we covered when exactly the Ripple lawsuit and stuff like that will be over. Make sure you press the like button, guys. Make sure you press it. I do my best to provide the best quality content for y'all every single day. And of course, guys, I'm always keeping it real. In this specific case here, a settlement does not come closer because of one small little extension of time. And them trying to seal something isn't either a really big thing in that regard. All right, then I got some really interesting news, even breaking at that matter. Ripple collabs with the Bhutan Central Bank to pilot CBDC using its private ledger. Now, just gonna be honest with you, I have not really got that much idea of what went on in the background of Bhutan and you know, basically the connections and whatnot. I did, however, like a tweet earlier about that specific situation, I thought, right? Yeah, here. Kenny Nguyen, whatever you pronounce that way at, says, boom, go XRP, and he linked the article. So I didn't actually check out this article specifically, but of course, we're talking about the exact situation here, that Ripple just partnered up with the Central Bank of Bhutan to launch CBDC trial, which is just very nice. Yang Chen Sogyal, Deputy Governor of the Central Bank, expects a Ripple-powered digital Ngultrum to become a sustainable payment instrument. Quote, our collaboration with Ripple is testament to the potential of CBDCs to provide an alternative and sustainable digital payment instrument in Bhutan. I don't know if it's Bhutan or Bhutan, guys. Don't butcher me for it, man. I'm trying my best. I don't know how to pronounce a lot of these things. These names, Ngultrum, if it's wrong, if Nguyen was wrong, which I think it is, it's like Nguyen. Man, I'm trying my best, okay? I don't know. Ripple. So collabing with this is very nice. It's private ledger, so it doesn't necessarily use XRP in any way, shape, or form. But, guys, we talked about this before. The point is, get things connected to Ripple, work with them, work the partnerships out, and then introduce them to more things that Ripple could do. For example, help out with XRP, as, for example, the bridge currency. And remember, guys, XRP for most of us is a longer-term plan. Right now, we have a big impulse, which is the lawsuit, but the longer-term utility is what's going to be the actual killer. That's what we're actually here for the most part. So this is juicy to see, very, very much so, guys. I'm really definitely happy. And it's a good start for a bigger partnerships and more bullishness, right? That's the way I can actually put it. Then we have this small little article here about 3 reasons why AVAX is up 800% in 2 months. Just want to quickly point out, guys, I've been telling you guys about AVAX and Atom for a very long while. Today, both those cryptos I think are doing really good. AVAX plus 22% and Atom plus 23%. Why? Because they are platformers, DeFi realm, and I've told you guys in the last couple of videos, AVAX, Algorand, and Atom, and then I had ICP as I'm saying, like, I don't really hold too much of that. Atom, AVAX, and what was the last one now? Algorand. Those 3, I just told you guys, I think yesterday even. Those are really, really good bets in the sense that they are DeFi platformers that have decreased a lot during this most recent little crash. Yet they are contenders with Solana, ADA, and whatnot, so they are still 100 times potentials. I personally think that the market caps of these can still, for Algo, quadruple, for Atom, you know, also, I guess for all of them, kind of quadruple, basically. And I don't think it could take, or have to take too long, guys. So I'm really, really bullish on those, and I definitely think you guys should pay close attention to them. My own personal thought process. And then last but not least, breaking. Satoshi Nakamoto's website gets hacked. Scammers run Bitcoin giveaway scam. I don't want to show it because I'm not sure that YouTube would like me showing it. Just so I won't show you guys that, but apparently a very popular website has just been hacked. And the story I can give you guys is if it says you're going to get money for free, don't trust it. If it says you should send them money and they'll double your money, don't trust it. I know so many YouTubers, and even myself here, that get very many of these messages of saying, oh, I've been hacked. Can you help me recover? Blah, blah, blah. Or, oh, sorry, it's not even hacked. I've been scammed. Can you please help me recover? Can you please? No, nobody can. we cannot, at least I can't, contact exchanges to help you out. And even if I could, what is the exchange going to do if you've already sent the money away? It's gone, it's lost. All they could do is potentially block it, but even then it would take sometimes weeks for that to be done, and it's a big operation. So if you lost $100, there's no chance in the world that they're going to help you in that regard. Please just be careful. Don't send your money to any of those places, and be always very hesitant when just sending money to somebody, because why would they want to give you free money? It's a giveaway, yeah, but why would they do that though? And what's the caveat? What's in it for them? What's the purpose? Whenever I do a giveaway, guys, I make sure that you guys know exactly why I'm doing it and make it fair. You never have to pay for anything. Sometimes you, for example, have to sign up somewhere, but that never costs any money, and it never compromises any of your sensitive data. Always be careful with that. Always pay close attention, and I'll see you guys again in another crypto video. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the like button if you enjoyed it. Take care, guys, and have a very, very nice day.